Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back. I guess I would consider this part 4 of my birthday unboxing. If you have not checked out my other videos about the items that I received for my birthday, please check those videos out. So in part 2, I believe, I showed you guys my large Coach Rowan, and I said that I wasn't sure if I'm going to keep it because I figured that the regular size Rowan is the perfect size for me, and my fear was that the large was going to be a little too big for me and that I wasn't going to reach for it. So I did decide to take back the large, and I said in that video that if I took it back, most likely I would get the same color, the black Rowan, in the regular size. But what had happened was I saw a bag online, and I knew when I saw the pink that I had to have it. Let's get into it. Now, when I received it, I had it shipped to me. I did go in store to return the other one, but I knew what I wanted to purchase instead, and it wasn't in store. I know I had to have it shipped to me. The box that it came in was horrible. When I saw the box, I was like, oh my goodness, I hope my bag is still in there, because it was just all torn up. You can pretty much look inside of the box before I even opened it. So yeah, it was horrible. But anyway, I had this box. This is a gift box that I got from Coach a while back. So, you know, I wanted to make it look more presentable. But yeah, let's get into it. Like I said, I did wrap it up myself. Just added some paper, and that's on the floor now. So before I take the bag out, I did get, I believe this is called the Skinny Scarf. And the color is Jasmine. And that's my daughter's name. How cute. But yeah, I wanted to have a Coach. I have a few LV bandos and, you know, off-brand twillies that I got from Amazon, Temu, places like that. But I don't have a Coach one. So I thought this one was cute. And I do want to get the brown one. So I may go back and get the brown color one also. And these were just, I believe, $30 or $31. So I got that. Now let's get into the bag. Like I said, I was set on going and get that black one, but then I had to think about it, like, am I even going to reach for it? So I knew with this one, because you guys know I love the color pink, that this was definitely going to be a winner for me. You can already see her. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the Coach Rowan satchel, and the color is gold, tan, and then the petal pink. So I am going to unwrap her so you guys can see her a little better, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here she is all unwrapped, and look how beautiful that pink is. I love the pink with this shade of brown. It looks beautiful. So there's the front, the side, the back, and it does have the zipper pocket in the back, the other side, and no feet on the bottom, which is disappointing. But like I said, the older styles do have the feet at the bottom. So this is one of my first Rowans. It is my first Rowan. And as you can see, the pocket is on the front, and then look at there, feet on the bottom. So I don't know whose idea that was to take the feet off for the newer ones, but they should have left it on. Okay. All right. So it does come with the tag, the strap, the gold hardware. I think looks great on here. And remember, my previous one that I received came with the silver, and it's not in frame, but there you go. So you can see it has the silver hardware. So I like both. So there she is. Now I did pick up an accessory to go with my bag, but I'm still waiting for that to come. So when I do a what's in my bag, I will reveal the accessory I got from her. I do have one or two items in this color. I believe it's petal pink. So it's petal pink, the lining, and then the inside. Beautiful. Tag in there. It looks a little bit darker on the inside. It just could be the lighting, but I believe it's the same. So it does have one pocket, the zipper pocket. And then on the other side, you have one large pocket. Okay. I love it. That pink just stands out. You guys know I'm a sucker for pink, any shade of pink. You know, some people are particular, they just like light pink or baby pink. I love all shades of pink. So beautiful. Now, like I said, my accessory that I ordered, they're not coming yet. But I did receive something. It's kind of beat up. Like I said, my packages didn't come so great from the Coach outlet. But yeah, let's see what shoes I got. These are the Ashton clog and signature jacquard. And look at that pink. The dark doesn't exactly go with, you know, the shade, but this petal pink is the same. See it? It's kind of hard to get everything in frame. Yeah, but this color is the same, the petal pink. So these are clogs. So I'll take the wrapping off so you guys can kind of see the details. And yeah, I'm tall, like I told you guys, so I do have big feet. So yeah, that's what she looks like. How beautiful is that? Oh my goodness. And I have a few UGG slippers. I do have some LV ones also. So I really like this style. Easy, you know, to slip on and off. And I will be wearing these with my bag. Not sure if I can get them both in frame. But yeah. Turn it this way. And I'll get my little scarf in there. And I most likely won't use this scarf with this color. I'm not sure. It doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? Like I said, I do want to get the brown one. I think the brown will match better. I really don't want to cover this pink up on the handle, so I may just tie a bow. Yeah, so I'll play with it a little bit to see if I want to go with this color or just wait for the brown one. But I will definitely be back for a what's in my bag and show you guys how I pack her. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and check out some of my past videos. I do some unboxings, what's in my bag. And also I want to let you guys know, you know that I work with Save Bullets, and they are having a Black Friday sale that is now until I believe maybe the end of December, where you can get up to 15% off. I will include a screenshot of the sale, and then the minimum that you will get off is 7%. So even if you get something small, you'll get 7% off. So you can get up to 15% depending on, you know, what you purchase. Christmas is right around the corner. If you want to buy things for yourself or loved ones, please check out that sale. It's on my website. I will leave my website linked in the description box. Thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.